In this video, we will talk about features of Boro version 2.1. We carefully work through imperfections of previous versions to bring the user experience to the highest level. We have thought out the formats for bug reports and quality of service and added support for new protocols. The main improvement of the new version is KPI view. It is designed to display statistics of errors for all analyzed streams and schedule recurring reports about service quality. 4 parameters contain all the necessary information. The Health tab represents a real-time quality report on the following metrics: losses, service availability, at source, alarm firing statistics, active alarms. Statistics are displayed for the last 24 hours and for the last 15 minutes. The view allows for quick health estimation of each service without switching to other views or journals. It also presents the service availability trend. Service availability is a new parameter the Boro system registers. It is calculated as a percentage ratio of error-free monitoring time to total monitoring time. The metrics are based on the SCTE 168.6 standard. To register errors, the error second term is used, which denotes a second within which at least one error has occurred. You can select triggers that will define service availability in a separate profile. The mini graph of availability trend represents changing of the service total availability for the last 24 hours of monitoring. 1 division equals to 2 hours. The division color corresponds to the color map of service availability levels. When clicking the mini graph, the window with detailization for each 15 minutes opens. The Reports tab allows for scheduling recurring reports about service quality. The report may include all parameters available on the Health tab. You may schedule one-time or recurrent report for the previous day or week. The new log view is designed to optimize the display of all analyzed services. With the smallest scale possible, the view may display up to 1,000 tasks on the screen with 1920 to 1080 resolution. Like Mosaic View, it provides task consolidation. The mode of ranging blocks in accordance with error severity level is available. We have added the SRT protocol support. The probe receives streams over SRT protocol and listener, caller, and rendezvous modes. The encryption support is implemented. There is a new event. Task has no subtasks for OTT and SRT protocols. It triggers when SRT task contains only a master task and does not contain any subtasks. In the new version, you can scale graphs on the task page with the available fixed scales of 3 and 30 minutes, 3 and 8 hours, 2 and 4 days. Minimal, average, and maximal values can be calculated for such metrics as momentary loudness, short-term loudness, input bitrate, IAT, and DF. Switcher scales and navigation panel are performed as a floating palette that helps to avoid extra page scrolling. Checking for a screen conformity to the standard TR 101-290 and detection of second and third priority errors is now available. We have implemented triggers for each event and indicators on a task page with additional info when hovering the active error. For the PCR repetition error trigger, 2 thresholds are added for the user's choice: 40 and 100 milliseconds. For checking for the third priority errors, the mechanism for automatic identification of the delivery system type is embedded. The delivery system type affects available time intervals for the table's delivery. You can display the max values for PCR accuracy and PCR interval in the info window in the PSI table. We have added parsing and display the following TS stream tables: SDT, BAT, and NIT. Automatic assignment of profiles is implemented. The connection between the profile and the type of task is configured by the user. When creating a task in the web interface, threshold profiles, alerts, and records will be automatically assigned to it, depending on protocol. The interface usability is improved by the following parameters: selecting default view that will open when entering a project, selecting a journal that will open by default on a task page, enhancing the events journal on a task page for IPTV tasks. The key information is extracted for each event. However, the full JSON content still can be viewed. Each event can be copied, saved to a file, pre-formatted. In Alarms journal, edit combining active state records if they belong to the same stream and trigger type. In the settings on a task page, unused graphs can be hidden. Implemented uniform activation mechanism for profiles of external notification and recording. Edit indicators of profiles activity state. Edit possibility to select recipients that will receive notifications about project's balance. Previously, such notifications were sent only to the project owner. Users of the Boro service will get access to new features automatically. To update your local version of Boro, contact us. Thank you for your attention.